A guy was shot in his throat.
Okay.
And India and Sri Lanka match was playing, cricket match.
Happened, I know, we know those things happened, but now not happening. In 19... No, it's still happening. No, that's the problem. That's the thing I'm telling you. You all don't know these things.
No, why you infiltrating? Why you moving Sinhalese into Tamil area?
Do you think we don't have any connection? Have you seen? You must go to Jaffna and...
Why Sri Lanka is killing Tamil fishermen? Why you guys are shooting Tamil Nadu fishermen? Indian fishermen.
They are encroaching, not killing, right? They are being chased away, not killing.
500 Indian fishermen killed so far. 2017 March. Are you not talking to me now? Sir, you're not talking to me. I'm not giving wrong information. A guy was shot in his throat.
Okay.
And India and Sri Lanka match was playing, cricket match. And you guys caught 4 guys and beat him to death. You guys told him to tell like Sri Lanka will win. See, now you're smirking. Now you're smirking, aren't you? You know, you're smirking. You are being sarcastic, aren't you?
No.
You're not acknowledging. You're smirking. Because 2017 March, a Tamil fisherman was shot down by Sri Lankan force.
What's happening?
Even India and Pakistan is an enemy country, but Pakistanis don't kill Indian fishermen. But Sri Lanka and India is a friendly country. Sinhalese army shooting Indian fishermen.
Information.
It is not false, mate. It's not false information, mate.
You are telling what people have been told to you.
The people died. I've seen the man die. I'm seeing the man died. I'm not reading in news.
This is finished now. Police officers are here. They are able to die.
நீங்க பாத்திருப்பீங்க. நான் சொன்னேன் தமிழ்நாடு மீனவர்களை ஏன் சுட்டு கொள்றீங்கன்னு கேட்டா அவர் வந்து பொய் சொல்றீங்கன்னு சொல்றாரு. இதுதான் இந்த இலங்கை இனவாதம் சொல்றது. நான் கேட்கறதுக்கு வந்து அவர் வந்து சார்காஸ்டிக்கா சிரிச்சுட்டு போறாரு பாருங்க. ஏளனமா சிரிச்சுட்டு போறாரு பாருங்க.